Ghanaian style pancakes, also known as Tatale. Basically, these are spiced plantain pancakes. So here's how to make it. You start off with a red onion. I'm taking about a quarter of a red onion and I'm just going to slice this loosely. We're slicing it so it's easier to blend down later in our blender or food processor. I'm peeling it with a spoon because I find that to be much easier, and then again I'm just going to chop this down a little bit. Finally, you want to add a bit of spice, so I'm taking about a half of a Scotch bonnet pepper, but you can always use more. Please go ahead, use the whole thing or even more than that. So add this all to a blender or food processor along with a tiny bit of water, which is going to help it with blending together a bit easier. And then you want to take some overripe plantains. So these are blackened. Do not throw your overripe plantains away. They can always be used. Chop this up, add it to a bowl, and then we're going to mash it down. So I mash it down using a fork, but you can also use a potato masher or any sort of masher that you have at home. Alternatively, you could actually blend these down, but you know, if you want to make authentic tatale, then usually it's a little bit chunky. Once you've mashed it down, you want to add your blend from earlier on, a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and mix this all together. After that is mixed, you want to take about a quarter cup of flour, and again mix this all together well. And once you've done that, you have your plantain pancake mix, and we are ready to start cooking. So usually you actually use palm oil, but I've gone for vegetable oil here just to be a little bit healthier. Take a ladle and use this to spread your pancake mix into your pan. And then you just want to cook it down on a medium temperature.
The reason.
So once it's cooked for about 4 to 5 minutes, that's when you want to flip it. And then you want to cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on the other side. Generally, you want to continue to cook it and continue to flip it until you see that it is brown and crispy on both sides, as you see here. So if you get that on your first flip, that's great. Otherwise, just stay patient and wait for it to get that crispiness and that brownness, which makes it so delicious. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.